Hey guys, it's me again, back for another brand new video. So today we're going to look at the Rantopad MXX Mechanical keyboard. This retails just under $50 or 2,500 pesos locally. You might be thinking, yeah, just another cheapo run-of-the-mill mechanical keyboard, and I can't blame you, given the fact that mechanical keyboards right now are getting cheaper and cheaper every day. And there are tons of cheap keyboards out there, and they are posing as a legit mechanical keyboards, but in fact they are not, so be careful and double check before buying one. But this one, don't let the price fool you guys, because I can guarantee now that this is one of the best bang for the buck mechanical keyboard out there on the market. And with that said, let's not waste any more of your time. Let's open up this bad boy right after this. So right off the bat, you'll see that this is a TKL layout, and if you're wondering what the heck is a TKL, TKL stands for 10 keyless, so it has no numpad section, which I personally prefer on a keyboard. It provides a cleaner look, and it gives my mouse more room to move around. This is quite useful while playing competitive FPS, but it may bother some people and may prefer the 108 keys full layout, but for me, I'd rather have a small keyboard platform because I tend to have my both hands close to each other while playing. It's a matter of personal preference, but if you're the kind of guy who uses a numpad, you might want to skip this one. It weighs around 645 grams, so it's quite heavy, but I kinda like it that way. It feels very durable and can withstand sudden bumps, I can guarantee that. Here you can see I have it on Gateron Red's linear switch. Honestly, I prefer the brown ones, but this will do just fine. But I'm kinda thinking of changing the switch myself in the future. So guys, if you want me to do a video on changing the switch of this board, let me know at the comment section, alright? Now the top features of these keyboards are, it has anti-ghosting, dynamic lighting effects, detachable USB cable, space grade aluminum material, and of course, it uses a mechanical switch Gaterons. Now let's take a look at the inside. Here it includes a key puller, a braided USB to USB cable, a manual, which unfortunately in Chinese, and that's about it. Now let me talk about the build quality. I was really surprised of how refined and rigid the frame is. It's insanely sturdy, definitely has a premium feel when you hold it, and it definitely will last long for sure. Now the packaging is great. It has a nice design layout, which I can really appreciate. They really put an effort of making the presentation really good, and it's really obvious here. I'm really liking the black and yellow theme of the box here, and at the back you'll see the consistency of the design. Good job, Rantopad. Here we have some rubber paddings on both sides so the keyboard won't slip on your desk. That's great, but unfortunately though, the height cannot be adjusted, which I thought is the weakest part of this keyboard. The height position adjustment I think should be mandatory to any keyboards. Upon using it for quite a while, I got used to its form, and there's a little bit of getting used to, quote unquote, that may bother some people. But for me, I learned to adapt and didn't really bother me as much as I thought it would. So here, using the function keys, you can change its lighting effects, and let me show you them right now. And now, the sound test. I highly recommend this keyboard to those who are coming from a membrane keyboard and wants to upgrade to a mechanical keyboard. This won't break the bank, and the quality you get from this keyboard is on par with the premium mechanical keyboards out there. I can guarantee that. You definitely get what you pay for. There are tons of features here. It looks great and it feels great. You can't go wrong with this one. You'll enjoy it as much as I do. So what do you think about this keyboard? Let me know in the comments section. And if you have any more questions, feel free to ask me down below. And that wraps up my review of this keyboard. I hope you enjoyed it. And please subscribe for more. If you haven't already, hit the like button. Once again, this is NerdKPH. I'll see you on the next one. Oh wait, hold on. We're not done here. So about the giveaway. So as a token of appreciation and the holiday spirit, we're giving away awesome items to 3 lucky winners. You just have to follow the instructions to get a chance to win one of those awesome prizes. I'll leave a link at the video description and make sure to follow all the instructions for a higher chance of winning. And that's about it guys. Thank you and good luck.